Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to check the health statistics of your VIOMI S9 Alpha vacuum cleaner. So the first thing we're going to do is open up the Xiaomi Home app and make sure that our vacuum robot is connected to the app. So now we can click on it and then click on the three dots on the top right here. And now that we're in the settings, we can scroll down to consumable statistics. So we can click on that, and here it shows all of the remaining percentage and remaining lifetime of your components. So you can click, for example, on the side brush, and it will show you all of the statistics. And for example, if it's remaining time has run out and the percentages, what you can do is just replace that detail or that part, and then click on consumable reset, and it's going to reset the timer of the usage. And that's it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped, and make sure to like and subscribe.